We'll be doing a juice blend. So I've got some watermelon, some pine, and some frozen strawberry, blueberry, and blackberry. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with blending. So we're going to add our frozen fruit store blender. We're going to add our pineapple. And we're going to add, there it is, we're going to add watermelon to our blender. Ooh, watermelon already giving away juice. Look at that. Nice. Frozen fruits at the bottom, or pine and watermelon in our blender. I'm gonna add some water. Again. That's my blended juice. Everything is well blended. Okay, here my little glass here. Let's pour it in it. Oops. Wait a second. There you have it, guys. My blended juice. That's it for my video. I hope you all enjoy this natural fruit blend juice. Very quick and easy. And thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.